In this problem, we need to show that the given expression is true whenever tangent of theta equals to a over b. So let's begin from the left hand side. On the left hand side, we have a times sine theta minus b times cosine theta, whole divided by a times sine theta plus b times cosine theta. Let's take cosine theta as the common factor in the numerator. So we have a times sine theta over cosine theta minus b, whole divided by, so from the two terms in the denominator, again we're going to take cosine theta as the common factor. So that means we have a times sine theta over cosine theta plus b. So cosine and cosine gets cancelled. This is going to leave us with a times. So sine over cosine, this is the ratio tangent theta. So we have a times tangent of theta minus b divided by, we have a times sine theta over cosine theta. So that's a times tangent theta plus b. Now it's given here that tangent theta is a over b. So we're going to replace the value of tangent theta with a over b. So we have a times a over b minus b, whole divided by a times a over b plus b, which will be equals to a squared over b minus b divided by a squared over b plus b. So let's multiply both numerator and the denominator with b, which gives us finally a squared minus b squared over a squared plus b squared, and this is the expression on the right hand side. So hence we have successfully showed that the left hand side equals to right hand side whenever tangent of theta is given by a over